Hey, hello everybody. This is my new layout. Well, not new, it's track plan is different and I like my track plan. I'm probably not gonna change it. It's not perfect, but it's the best you can get. Some new additions were all the buildings, the addition of the snow on the ground, and the addition of the trees, which are really nice. There we have our locomotive, and here we have our switchboard down here where we can switch the tracks. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the way the electricity works is if I switch 1 and 6, I can stop the locomotives. Because I have electricity coming in through this point, and the electricity is coming in through here. The power track is right here. So if I switch this one and that one, as you can see, it's in the off position now, but it does squat. But when I switch one of them, switch the other one, same result. Here's our yard. We have a couple of models here. Have our friend Rusty. We have Rheneas, Peter Sam, a custom Duncan. There are a couple models that I have that are just in boxes. They just don't fit the theme of the layout. One of them is Dalgok. I'm repainting him slowly. He's almost done. And he needs his wheels cleaned. Other than that, he's good to go. There's Skarloey. There's last video I did of this, I showed Monty, which was the North American type one. I have to fix him. He's got a shop motor. But in one of these, here, I've packed away the I got a Fairley. Bachmann Fairley, double Fairley from Festiniog. From Bachmann, based on the Festiniog Railway. I've packed him away because he runs well, but he doesn't fit the vibe that I'm going for here with, all of the characters. When Bachmann Sir Handel comes out, I'm going to get him. I haven't been running Peter Sam often, though, because his motor's also shot, but not in a... His motor is shot. Like here. Let's watch Skarloey for a minute, and then I'll show you why. Notice how we've got almost no slowdowns. Throughout this entire track. Now, I clean this guy's wheels regularly, but when I put him on the track, watch what happens. Okay, let's crank up max speed. He can be fast when he wants to be, but I'm going to reverse him because I don't want Skarloey bumping him off. It's okay. I think either the wires or the motor is shot, but it's probably going to be the motor. Anyways, there's Skarloey for you. I'll slow him down. And I'll give him a consist to pull. Trying to do that one-handed, that's going to be a bit hard. I run all my locomotives without couplings, so... Wonder how that's going to look. Anyway, here's our consist that I wanted to pull. Oh yeah, my crappy room. Can I have to do the chin thing? Okay, now no train can be complete without a brake van, right? Unfortunately for me, I have almost no good brake vans. I mean, these brake vans I have are good, but they're not perfect. Like, they often uncouple. All right. Wrong direction, Scarlowy. Or here, why don't we just start it up slowly? So Scarlowy is pulling freight. Yeah, that's the problem with Bachman Scarlowy. He's not very good when it comes to pulling heavy loads. And those coal cars are heavy. But he's a good loco nonetheless. Yeah, that should be good enough speed. Should be fine around those curves, hopefully. Can you make it past where he stopped before? Yes, he can. Look at the champion that is Scarlowy. All right, yeah. Look at this guy go. Woot woot. Okay. I'm going to divert Scarlowy into a siding with the switch number 5, which will divert that switch down there. Oh, crap. Got a malfunction here. Oh, I forgot. It's not switch 5, it's switch number 6. I was used to the old system. Alright, but now Scarlowy's diverted there. That track isn't actually maintained for use. It's not part of the main line. Also, the switch building is supposed to be over here. So that's why Scarlowy's having trouble there. But anyways, that's it for me. See you soon, guys. Maybe I'll have some more locos or rolling stock or a better layout for these guys. I do intend to get a better layout, but for now, this is what I've got. So, yeah. Bye.